Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota BZ4X. In this video I'll show you all safety systems tutorial. Let's start with how to find safety systems in this car and how to manage them. On the screen display, press car button, enter driving assist, and here we can find pre-collision, road assist system, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure alert system, proactive driving assist, rear vehicle approaching indicator, safe exit assist, parking support brake, rear camera detection, and parking assist sensors. Most of them are pretty straightforward, but let me explain it. Pre-collision system detects vehicles or pedestrians ahead and automatically brakes if crash is imminent. Road sign assist uses the camera to read road signs like speed limits and displays them on your dashboard. Blind spot assistant alerts you with light in your side mirror if the vehicle is hidden in your blind spot. Rear cross traffic alert warns you of vehicles approaching from the sides while you are reversing out of parking spot. Lane departure alert system vibrates the wheel or beeps if you begin to drift out of your lane without signaling. Proactive assist gently slows the car down or nudges the steering to help you maintain safe distance from curves or other cars. Rear vehicle approaching indication specifically alerts you if vehicle is coming up fast behind you. Safe exit assist prevents the doors from opening if the car detects cyclist or vehicle approaching from behind while you are parked. Parking support brake automatically hits the brakes if you are about to hit an object or wall while parking. Rear camera detection uses the camera to specifically identify pedestrians behind the car while reversing. Parking assist sensor are the beepers that gets faster as you get closer to an object while maneuvering. In the end, you can customize each function. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.